Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 20th, 2020, and I wanted to give you this quick video update of my strawberries that I started from seed. Now, these were transplanted here, and I have, I'm going to be doing a video for how to transplant strawberry seedlings. And they are blooming. You can see the blooms back here. Now this one here is the Tresca strawberry, and I'm growing all heirloom strawberries with the exception of the Tuscana strawberry. That one's a hybrid. You can see it did start blooming for me, and I do have strawberries starting to come on. Now these are being fed with the EcoScraps 555 all-purpose plant food. I'll put a link down in the description for that. And I want to get out here with my Sea Magic and start feeding them with the Sea Magic. And you can see I got a little strawberry here. And this is the Alpine Alexandria strawberry here. Now these stay smaller. I'm not sure how large this one here is going to get. But I do have one of these here on. And I put about 3 plants per 10-inch hanging basket. And this one here is another Tresca strawberry here, basket of Trescas. And this one here is the Temptation strawberry here. And over here is the Tuscana strawberry. Now this one here is a hybrid. Let's see here. This one here is blooming. I did have a strawberry on it, but, okay, there is one coming in here. There's a strawberry coming in this one here. And I did have some others. Here's some more here. I did have one that was a little larger, but unfortunately the plant got a little too dry the one day. And I lost the strawberry on it. So that's a shame that that happened. I didn't try it. It was one of those things where it was wet earlier and it got warmer out. It heated up in here and it just got too dry for it. Now these strawberries here, from my understanding, they continuously will be giving. So the reason why I'm keeping them and growing them in the greenhouse is I have one of my grow lights, which is a Shanks Light LED grow light. I'll put a link down in the description for that light. And I'm going to be having that light on during the winter time. So I used it last year. Well, I used it in the spring and last year over the winter time for my tomato plants, for them to keep giving over the winter time. And they did keep giving for me, so I'm hoping that I can keep my strawberry plants going over the winter time and be able to have and harvest fresh strawberries over the winter. So I do try and keep my soil moist. Now I don't want it soggy. And I do have some more seedlings on the transplant. I'm going to be coming with that video later on. So just now I do have a playlist on my channel for how I start my strawberries from seed. And all the video updates are in there, so you can check those out if you're interested in growing strawberries from seed. Now I will tell you, strawberries are slow growers from seed. It takes them a while to establish themselves. It takes them a while for them to develop their root systems. I wanted to give you this quick video update. When I seen them bloom and I seen the strawberries hanging on, it's like I gotta show you here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!